Dr. Kevorkian of selling Saturday Night Special, but when you purchased it.
Honestly, yeah. They actually they had to take my information and they called me a couple days later to pick it up.
This is in New York?
Detroit.
Really?
Michigan. Yeah.
There's a waiting period.
There is a waiting period.
Well, that's ridiculous. So when they say background checks, they say most Republicans support background checks. Sure, they already exist.
Yeah.
They already exist. There isn't a loophole. There are already background checks. And that's why we started that gift a gun hashtag a while ago, because all that is needed for someone to understand that CNN is full of bullshit, that they are lying to you, is to have ever purchased one firearm legally. Whatever. Now you can say there's an online loophole, meaning that some people buy firearms illegally. That's not a loophole. That's still breaking the law.
Illegal.
So what we're talking, and we'll get to what the HR 127 is proposing exactly, so you understand what they mean by this. And truth be told, they don't know what they mean. They say military-style weapons, and they don't even know what it means. So we need to know what it means. But every single person here has purchased firearms. I have many firearms, always within reach, and every single one.